recording.
So that settles down
Tiny little rust spots on one or two.
on what's already there.
Yeah.
But this, and you can see some wear on that slide.
Right.
That goes in matching the angle. This goes in at the other end.
Perfect.
And that makes a sliding surface
And how does that
for
draw
the
a slide?
next tray. And that just slides across snugly like that.
Lovely. Absolutely lovely. We're getting there, Andrew.
So tray number 2
Is arriving on platform.
9 3/4.
I can never remember that. I'll sometimes call it 10 5/8, I think. Jim will go, you'd be using the old measurement, you'd be using groats soon. Yeah, you, Jim, I'm talking to, mate.
So, number 2, right hand and left hand go
Nice one.
there and there, and that can just slide along. Resting
Should
on
mention
those.
those newspapers are dated, are the Daily Mail, dated Friday, August the 5th, 1955. Those were placed in there just, and I'm assuming that just before the tools were greased up and put into storage. But people didn't keep newspapers long back in those days.
So we've
So
got
I'm
left
just
hand
waffling
one, right hand one, and these are parallel sided now, so they can go in. Actually, I'll put them in after the tray again, that'll be simpler.
After the tree. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
Top tray goes in.
Remarkable, I've never seen a tool
That way
chest
up.
constructed like this. Never.
And
I've got it now. I did have it round there. Yeah, I'm sending that to you, Jim, for you to look at, don't worry.
that way up. Fits in perfectly. That was
And look,
like
that's the first time I've seen it look like that.
yeah,
With all the sliding compartments in.
that is so impressive.
What a beauty. Oh, and that blue plush that you were calling it, wonder if that actually shows up in behind the ivory in and the little handles. These. Which one had the graphite for the drawers in?
That's in one of these. No, next one down, I think. Oh, it's a good memory test, isn't it? No.
I did. Which was the last one you were going to look at?
There it is.
That's the one. It's always in the last one, isn't
Yeah.
it? Could you pick out that graphite just to show it? There we are. Wonder if that came from that little hole in the ground in Wales,
Yeah.
where all the graphite in the world was supposed to have come from at one time. Forget where it is.
Borrowdale?
Only a little tiny hole in the ground. Yeah.
But with that there, you can still slide this intermediate tray across. Oh, we must have got something just lifting up a bit there.
Something
We'll get to
binding.
that. Can slide back. This one can come out.
Look at that lovely gouge. Shallow gouge. Nice ebony handled keyhole saw.
It's best to stay away from screws, they're quite dangerous.
Lovely turn screw. traction rules.
In fact, if you put there, yeah, you can see that those scales are different.
Yeah.
Quite a lot different.
Wonder if anybody ever made a mistake and used one that's an ordinary.
I'm sure they did.
They'd be saying, this bloody ruler.
Yeah. Well,
throw it away. Throw it into the
Is that
depths.
one an ordinary one? Is that actual inches?
I don't know.
And that,
Without taking a closer.
yeah.
Shall I turn this video off?